Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, the battle is still on. The battle for Chidimma to be removed from the Miss South African pageant is still on, and some people are on her side and some people are just not on her side. They are not even interested to hear her side of the story. They started a petition, and guys, the petition is rapidly growing. Okay, people are signing the petition to have her removed from the petition. So now Thusi posted on her Instagram stories where she was defending Chidimma that, guys, can you just please let her be? She grew up in South Africa. She has a South African ID. So Thusi was just saying, guys, just let the poor girl be, because she has a right, to enter Miss South Africa as a South African. This thing is just, guys, it's a lot on social media. It's really a lot. I will insert a video so that you guys can hear what Thusi had to say about this, and please do leave your comments in the comment section down below. What do you guys think of this? What do you guys think of this whole thing? Just because you have a South African ID doesn't mean that you are South African, because now guning, but there's a lot of things that we need to consider. But this is what Thusi posted on her Instagram stories, that Helen Zille was also born of foreign parents, guys, but they didn't say anything. She was the mayor, she was all of that, and guning, so now sekubukeka ngathi people are against her because she is black, So guys, please watch this video of Thusi defending
because that's just what's happening in my life right now, and this is how I choose. Whatever. It never really ceases to amaze me how South Africans and people actually in general, like in France, that guy wasn't French until he saved a baby from a burning building, and then all of a sudden the government that had refused to give him citizenship for the longest time, even though he'd lived there, I think, nearly his entire life, suddenly he was French now that he had saved a baby from a burning building. And now in South Africa, we have a similar situation with if this girl were to win Miss Universe, are we still going to be like, she's not South African? I just think it's really problematic, because as soon as she was born in South Africa, she was South African effective immediately. Effective and immediate as soon as she left that womb. So it is what it is, guys. It really is what it is. She's born in South Africa, raised by South Africa, therefore she is a South African. She can't call Nigeria home, even though her parents may be Nigerian or wherever they may be from. That is beside the point. So if she was a white girl and she was half French, half something else, you guys might have never even noticed. If her mom, you might have never even noticed. But because her name is what it is, now it's a big deal. But you guys have people from cricket teams representing, maybe it's because it's not a singular person, but people in our cricket teams, in our parliaments, in different sectors of the South African, I don't know what to say, ecosystem, whose parents are not South African, but they were born here, that you may know or may never know of. And this girl has to suffer because she's black and she's female, and it's a pageant. If this girl, I don't even know her name right now, my bad, I just woke up. If this girl went to the Olympics representing South Africa and she won gold medal, what would you guys be saying? She's Nigerian, she must take that medal to Nigeria. Don't lie, yeah. Don't scam, don't lie. You would say Nigeria can also have a stake in claim, say, our genetics are serving. But we'd also say as South Africans, you know what? We contributed to this greatness. We raised this greatness because it grew up right here on our soil, eating our food.
her food as well at this point. Drinking this water that we are serving here in South Africa and the education we are serving. She's South African! Leave her! Guys, I have a hot take.
So yeah guys, this was Thusi defending Chidimma on all the allegations. Please let us know in the comment section, what do you think of today's video?